This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brenda Lavin. Impressive 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with a second floor loft that can be utilized as a flex room. Spacious floor plan includes formal living room, family room, dining room and master bedroom on the ground floor. Entire ground floor is tiled. Second floor has loft, 1 bedroom with ensuite bath. Bedroom 2 and 3 share a Jack and Jill bath. Open kitchen features SS appliances and amp, lots of granite counterspace including a breakfast bar overlooking the family room. Master bedroom suite has his and her walk-in closets, dual sinks, Roman tub and separate shower. Located in Cooper Creek community with first-class amenities including clubhouse, fitness room, library, pool, tennis, basketball and amp, playground. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Lavin at 772-530-9515.